Hi Abapas, my name is Senthil Kumar Gopalakrishnan. In this video, we are going to cover how to create a simple database table in SAP. That means database table creation in SAP. What is mean by database table? It is you store a number of records permanently in database layer. So what is our goal? So we are going to create a simple transparent table. So here we are having two types of approaches. One is bottom approach, actually is top down approach. In this video I am going to cover the top down approaches. Top down approaches, first we directly create a database table using the transaction code of SC11, database table, data element, next one is domain. In this video, now I am going to show you how to create a simple table with two fields. One is employee number, next one is first name. Employee number, numeric, the length will be 10. So I want to restrict the employee number range between 1 to 100. Next one is first name. So here length of the field is character 30. So here I am using the option lowercase. Normally in SAP standard all the inputs will be uppercase, but I want to show the values as it is. I will go for lowercase. Now I will teach you how to log into SAP system. Double click the login. Here enter the username, next password. SAP is supporting for multiple language, so I log into English language. The T code for creation of data is SC11. Here I enter the table name, simple basic table. Name, I enter the name, simple basic table. Then I press create button. You will have the description, simple basic table. Here delivery class, I am choosing mass data and transaction data. Display methods allowed. Fields. So I want to create this table client dependent. So I enter the field here, MANT is a key field. So there is already a standard data element for to maintain the client informations. So I enter the standard data element. Next, now I want to create employee number field, first name field, two fields. Here I enter the name GSREE. Enter the name. Next I double click the name of the data element. You will ask you want save, yes I want save. Next it will ask you want to create data element, I want to create data element, yes. Next enter the description for data element number. Next here enter the field label 10. This is short label, medium label, long label. Next you should activate. Employee number, domain. Next I want to create domain. Now it throws error, right? Because we are not entering the domain name here, that's why it shows error. Domain. Next I enter the domain name. Next double click the domain name. Number, numeric, the length will be 10. So already I told you I want to restrict the employee number range between 1 to 100. So value range tab 1 to 100. Enter the description, enter the range between 1 to 100. Next, activate it. Now it won't throw any error. After that, now we activate that element, it won't throw error. Previously, why it shows error? So we activate that element without domain. Next, I want to create one more data element for first name. You can enter any name here. Double click. Yes. Here the description. First name. Next field label. Next data type. Now I got to enter the domain name here. You can enter any name here. Click double click. Numeric, the length will be, character is na first name, it's na first name. Here enter the length, character as length. So you can choose the option lowercase here. Then activate. First I activate domain. Then I go back. Here this is for first name. Field label also first name. Then activate it. Back. Then one more activation is required. It throws one error. That's called you have to maintain the label. Yes. Now close this window. Go to here. That's called technical setting. Okay, it is used to specify the physical memory for this table. Technical setting. ABBL 0. Next, choose the 0 option here. Then activate it. Save. Back. Then activate. Next, you want to give the input, utilities, table contents, create entries. So employee number 1, name, I enter into S is caps, remaining all the letters will be small case. Then I save it. Back. I want to give the values, utilities, table contents, display. Then execute. This was a value. Get out. You can contact me through this LinkedIn ID or mail ID. Okay. Thank you all.